Welcome back to this Chapter 37 tutorial on Excel, VBA, Basic to Advanced. In previous chapter, we learnt writing code for the delete button of user form. In this chapter, we will learn how to write VBA code for the export button of user form. The export button is used for exporting the data to a new Excel workbook. Look at this example. When I click on this export button, data is exported to a new Excel workbook which you can save with a different name. Let's start learning how to write VBA code for the export button. First of all, create the export button in the user form. You can simply copy and paste this delete button, then change the name, caption, and color of it. Double-click on the export button to open the sub-procedure for export button click. First, define the variables. Dim sh as worksheet. Dim wb as workbook. Set up the values for the variables. Set sh equals this workbook.sheets, invoice data. Set wb equals workbooks.add. To copy and paste the data from invoice data sheet to the new workbook, write this code. sh.usedRange.copy, destination equals wb.sheets1.range a1. wb.sheets1.columns.autofit. This will auto-adjust the column widths as required in the exported data. Finally, exit from the copy mode by writing this code. Application.cut copy mode equals false. Coding for the export button is complete. Let's test this code by running the user form. Click on the export button. Here you see, data is exported to a new Excel workbook. If you try to save or close this workbook, the buttons or clicks does not respond until you close the user form. To solve this problem, you have to change the show model property of user form. For this, close the user form. Close the exported workbook. Go to the user form properties. Set the show model property to false. Run the user form. Click on the export button. Now, if you try to close the exported workbook, it responds and asks you whether you want to save it or not. So, that was all about writing the VBA code for the export button of user form. If you want to practice this code, you can download the sample workbook from the link given in description section. In the upcoming videos, we will explore more topics, tips, tricks, and tutorials on VBA for Excel. Stay tuned and enhance your knowledge in VBA. Thank you so much for watching.